back. Today I'm going to be playing some Escape 2 map test, and we're just going to play a hard map called the Luminous City. Links in the description below. How to download these maps, the IDs for them, and this game, and the other regular Escape games. So this game is by David20126, and it's called the Luminous City. So you guys know what Escape 2 map test is. It is where games that are maps that are not played in the Escape 2, because there's like billions, and I'm not kidding, like thousands of maps of Escape 2 maps that are not in the actual game. Well, map test allows you to put an ID in, where you can just play those maps. Because each one has a separate ID. And the Luminous City is a pretty hard one. It is rated hard, but I think it could be an insane map. And the guy that we were playing by, David, whoever, is a good Escape 2 map creator, in my opinion. This shit has an physical. And my brother keeps telling me to get this map called Tsunami Escape, so I actually. It's fun, but it's really hard. And that's how you survive. Okay, we're going to Gamut Volcano, which is probably my favorite by far. Just watch it. It's like so cool, guys. Escape. Okay, I'm going to go and grab that one. What is it? Easy? What is it? Okay. So I'm looking through all the, oh wait, I found it. Okay, Tsunami Escape. Okay, so I'm going to load maps. So here we go. We're gonna take out this hard maps now. Let's hope we can play Tsunami Escape. Okay, we can't. We're gonna do the Strange World first, which is actually a cool map. It is an insane map, and it's actually it's pretty hard. So the jumps aren't hard on this map, but you gotta go quickly or else, because there's just like one car going to do a collision right now, and you have to jump while going into it. I'll show you guys. I'll probably just play about half a second, and that will probably show me. Yeah. Alright, we are going to Tsunami Escape. Let's see what this is about. The living by the pipe is a water. The living by the pipe is a water. This doesn't have any music. Yeah, it does. Oh, it does. What the heck? This is singing shit. That one jump by the pipe is hard. Oh, come on. We're gonna try our luck at Strange World Jump. The only thing that got me on that map was that jump at the beginning. That was all. Okay. If I die, ID, come back to here, and put in this ID, turn it up, oh wait, overgrown facility? It's like volcano layer. Okay, I guess we're going back to Sonomia's cave. Oh, I managed to pipe this guy. Oh, wow, wow. No stressing. Okay, I think I should stress about this. Open up! Where do I go? Have you named this for you?
I think there's only one of those items.
Yeah.
Which one is this right?
I want to do, overgrown facility. Let's go back. I'm gonna grab another map. Radioactive areas. That sounds pretty cool. Let's go control that. I just hate that. Oh. Bro, I wanna go to a hard map. I don't wanna go to this map. I wanna go to a hard map. Strange world. Wait, how do I go to this map? Where is this game strange world? Okay, let's go. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Oh, that's probably just cool. Okay, now here's where it starts. We have to go dead quick. Like we're gonna die. That's it. Done. That's it. Alright, thank you. This map is so hard. It's so easy up to that point. That's it. If you don't, if this is over, if you're trying this map, I don't know what to call it.
Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Don't pause. Press play. Press play. Press play. Press play. Press play. Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Press play. Don't pause. Don't pause. Press play. Press play. Press play. Press play. Press play.
What did that one map do to the whole game? It did make it brighter in here, right? That's kind of cool. Yeah, that. Yeah. Okay. Don't get radioactive areas. Don't get radioactive areas. Okay. Because it makes your whole map like completely it makes every map completely messed up, and you'll see why. Okay, we're going to be Ritzy Desert beneath the ruins. What the heck? Yeah. was hard. Okay, I thought this was an insane match or something. This Ritzy Desert is hard. Okay, I'm gonna take that one out. Okay, thermal sewers. This seems cool. Oops, I didn't. Okay, so when I'm highlighting this, it's cool. Thermal sewer. They added the map making. They're not taking this one. Not even in the tank. Oh wait. Oh, I got that. I was like, what? I don't know if you can only have a certain amount. I'm gonna get magnetic line. I've seen something. How about loaded? Lava ones? Okay, good. Yeah. And I'll also give you guys a link to the website where I got all these maps from too. Lava mines. I don't see it. There's Lava Sanctuary. Yeah, I can't find it. No, I've already. Okay, I'm getting up this. Okay, we're gonna try this one called Abyss.
There's Sky Sand.
Sky Savannah.
I thought
Like Sky Sanctuary. This is so hard to see. We don't know. We're probably doing it. But it's hard. Oh wait, I didn't No, not literally. I said. I wish we could play together. I can't figure out how to. Okay, there's this one called Shut Up. No, Shut Down. Insane. Shut Down! No way! If this is the map I think it is, Shut Down? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, the map actually called Shut Down. Where's Shut Down? Dude, shutdowns are crazy. Shut down, please. Oh, I can't get shut down. Well, I'm going to Lighthouse, I guess. I think shutdowns are crazy. It might be actually, I think it's still the same. Lighthouse is actually crazy. Like, crazy. There's shutdown. Do you know the shutdown map? The music group we listen to is the music group. Wait, you know, there's this really okay. Shut down, please, shut down. I want to try shut down. Okay. Not yet, but we do have the grand finale. Shut down. It is the shutdown. If it's the actual shutdown, that's awesome. The grand finale is just a great crazy map. Shout out, it's one of the best crazy maps. It's so. You can actually have this. Now, I want to come back to crazy maps. Shutdown! Shutdown! Please be the actual shutdown. If so, I'm going to freak out. Oh, what is this? After abandoned... What is this? Wait, there's lava. Oh, I'm trying to find lava mines. You keep telling me get lava mines. So, it's on the same page. Is it called After Abandoned Lava Mines? It's called Lava Mines. There's Lava Sanctuary. There's another Lava Sanctuary. I'm gonna go get magnetic mines. Magnetic mines. Here is the ID for it.
Yeah, it's called lava mine. Like, oh man.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and put in magnetic mines. Lighthouse. Don't go to marine facility, guys. Just don't. Okay, we are going to, what's it called? I don't even remember what it's called. Oh yeah, magnetic mines. Here goes. You should really get magnetic mines. Oh, come on, guys. Well, at least I can keep playing over and 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 over again. Okay, here we go. Again. So do you remember Tide Outbreak? I'm playing the magnetic mines from there. Do you remember Tide Outbreak? I'm in the video! So, if you guys, I have a question for you guys. If you guys think about Pro Plus games, like the video, if you don't think about Pro Plus games, don't like the video. So go ahead and check that out. Oh, that is so hard. Man, magnetic mines is actually really hard. Magnetic mines is really hard. Here we go. Open this door up. Gotta go quick. You gotta go right here. You gotta go definitely busy. Dude, it's so hard! This one map, Magnetic Mines, is really hard. You have to go really quick on it. I wish you could play with me. Just look up Magnetic Mines, period. Just go into, ingredient, let's get the map to, oh, definitely just go. And then just look up, like, the map test, and then just look up Magnetic Mines. No, there's no, like, tiny jumps, it's just, like, the lava goes super quick. Like, when I say super quick, I mean, like, super quick. Yeah, like, I've already died again. This is, like, 8 times in a row I've died. I want to try to beat this map. Come on, do it. So you should never get the map. It's really fun. Oh, I got the jump right there. Well, that was alright. Whoever made this map made it massively way. Whoever made this map made it way too hard to beat. It should be a crazy. Panic mode is getting so close. So close. Go! Okay, I'm gonna reset. That was just such a bad run. Tip, never ever use never ever use shift lock on wall jumps. Don't ever use shift lock on this. It makes it so. Oh, I'm outside the map. Well, I just glitched the whole map. I literally went outside the map. That's crazy, dude. Here's the screen, guys. I'm probably going to delete every single map except that crazy one map. I forget what it's called. But it's the map I said was like the best crazy map ever. If you guys don't remember what it was, I'll probably release it at the very end of the video. Try to beat it. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do, guys. So, I'm gonna get on the lift. If you don't know what map I'm talking about, it is the Grand Map. The one map I want to beat. The Grand Finale. It's a crazy map. So you guys are probably like, Tyler, how are you supposed to defeat a crazy map? Here's the answer to it. Practice. Oh my gosh. You can't make any mistakes on this map. Because it gets really hard. First round is another idea to win. But once you start jumping outside the room, like the rest of the action room all over the place, you gotta go straight into the last place fast. Hey, guys, Okay, let's go again. We can do this. I made it. That was probably the best run I've done. That is literally the best run I have done. Man, that's what sucks. The jumps are really tiny on this map, and if you miss just one jump, you don't really die, but it just sets you back like crazy. And it just absolutely just completely destroys you.